for the next 3 months. We are currently under renovation and getting ready for the expedition season, so it is a work in progress, but it's beautiful. Come check it out. Okay, so this is Scott down under. He's in his hole, per usual. This is the captain of the boat. Oi. Oi. Tomobin. Okay. Oh, our room. And then
The reading nook, bunk beds, another room, more bunk beds.
and there's another room with more bunk beds on that side. So 3 rooms total downstairs. And then under renovation, getting things fixed. This is where we hang out, common area, engine right down there, water. Little bathroom. Everyone knows what a bathroom looks like. Okay.
Who's this?
This is Danielle, this first mate, second mate? But this is Danielle. She's Scott's wife. She's amazing. Yeah, she's teaching us lots of Portuguese. Then upside, beautiful Amazon River. Beautiful, our neighbors who are docked at another ministry and they're just enjoying beautiful views here. Jump in, swam a few times, no weird animals, no anaconda problems. Let's go upstairs. So just got our new table today. This is Snoopy's bed, our guard dog. And this is where we dry our clothes, right over here. And then we'll go to the front of the boat, see the captain's room. Also in a renovation, they restore stuff underneath the bed, so they're getting ready to store things. JJ and Scott have been busy rewiring everything, getting all the gauges to work, the GPS to work, nav system, antenna, all that good stuff. So obviously it's really easy.
Shot for Snoopy buildings.
Where's Snoopy? There's Snoopy, there's the guard dog. He's fierce. Hi Snoopy.
Get him, Snoopy.
Snoopy. Hi. Hi. Protecting everyone. Okay, and that is the boat.
Yay.